The 77th Zonal-Level Vanamahotsava 2026 was celebrated on Wednesday at the conference hall of the Khumulwng Agriculture Office. MDC Gita Debbarma and MDC Jiten Debbarma graced the occasion alongside senior agriculture department officials. In her address, MDC Gita Debbarma highlighted the vital importance of trees in sustaining life and urged the public to actively plant saplings while protecting existing trees from deforestation.
So, Chini Bupa collector Nampuk money, 80 gas, 80 brand, Chimano, Abono Carico, Bupa Tamo Cly, Abono Zotono Chimano, Apana Station or remind Cly Namuso, Jacobama Simon Apana, on the at least. So, Dorothy Simon Chino, Jabupa Guy to know, Chini to the oxygen on money, Abusuno, Jugan Kai, the woo. So, the oxygen the was about Hagia. They come clear, Junja Hammer Hori, Chini, and their guests and Yakari money. Abon Pebo, Horives, the take environment take about Makai, Bokusubai Nahar. Tamare, Jun Borok by Borokni Lamba by. Bupang balak kino related without Bupang green kitchen the Tangtongi mania over ke balak kino kubiko. Kaze tabuk ni jetrado okrado junjoto jun every year Bupang kayu over kai bono mochok primary bisiti Bupang preserve kainer nani Bupang montangi narak nani Bupang tamano bondo kainani o bebak no kormosuci as a sincere Nagorik hisabe senabok khainani chini each and everyone chini kaisa noitik daitto tongo
Kami Debbarma IFS Pure Forest.
Reported by Raju from Khumulwng, Chini Khorang.